Before placing the cover on the drum, inspect the gasket and gasket seat area. Ensure that the gasket is properly seated and there is no contamination from other external surfaces that have been picked up on the inside of the cover or gasket. Ensure that the cover is flat when approaching the drum opening. This will help prevent any contamination from dropping into the container. Place the cover on the drum. With the lever lock in the open position, place the closing ring on the cover, starting at one end and working it onto the other end. Go over the closing ring to ensure it is wrapped around the bottom curl of the drum and the top of the cover. Slowly close the lever lock. While using a rubber mallet, start on the opposite side of the lever lock and gently tap around the outside of the closing ring, tapping the closing ring from the side while applying constant pressure on the lever, until the lever lock is closed and flush against the side of the drum. Tapping the closing ring will allow you to close the lever without damage or bending. If the lever becomes difficult to close and tapping is not relieving the resistance, then stop, and check the closure to ensure it is properly seated on the drum and cover. Engage the latch properly so that it fully allows for the lever and latch to have a seal applied. Apply a seal through both seal holes to secure the closing ring. Place the plugs inside the appropriate bung and using a flat palm, rotate the bungs clockwise to catch the first few threads and also keep the bungs flat. The plug should engage the threads easily and with little resistance. If the thread feels tight or locks at any point, remove the plug and restart the process. Using the torque wrench, torque the plug smoothly and with consistent rotation, going clockwise to the torque specified on the closure instructions. The closure instructions will detail the method used for closure when the drums were tested. They contain written instructions by which the package must be closed. Ensure that you can locate and match the ring closure provided on the drum to the closures indicated on the closure instructions. Please do not proceed if you cannot match the ring closure on the package to the closure instructions or if the ring closure has been substituted and cannot be matched to the instructions. If in doubt, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com. The latest closure instructions are provided with each shipment of new drums and will accompany the packing slip, or with the manufacturer's test report. In the event you do not have this document, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com.